If you wish, it says, if the parents wish to have the child returned to them and the child was placed into custody, not under a crime, not under a conviction, if the parents wish to have the child returned to them based upon a contract with the state, the children or the child is to be returned to the parents immediately. But you have to use the correct word. You have to say, I wish to have the child returned immediately. Because people say, well, I want my kid returned. That's not a wish. Only a man can make a wish. So until you make a wish in court, I love listening to somebody the other day. I seen some judge lady was slamming the guy. He's like, do you wish to be sentenced? And the guy was like, no, I really don't know. Oh, it was on YouTube. I just laughed at the poor kid. I was watching a YouTube thing. The judge is asking him, do you wish to be sentenced today? And he's like, well, do you want to just come back again and sit in court again for another 3 or 4 hours, or do you wish to be sentenced? So watch these YouTube videos really closely, and you'll see the judges use the word wish a lot. Because only man's allowed to make a wish. And once you get a wish, it's going to be granted. Because that's what the judge is there to do, to grant you your wish. You order the judge around. And you say, well, that's my wish to be sentenced. And it's like, good. Now the judge will sentence you.